Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with your smart band. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with your smart band needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now you can open some kind of music app, for example, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube Music, or any media playing app on your phone, and it should be detected by your smart band. So I'm gonna open the YouTube, but you can use, like I said, anything you want that plays media. And here I have the YouTube and I have the song right here. Now let's go to our smart band, wake up the screen on it. So after you turn on media playing app, wake up the screen on your smart band, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and find the music icon. And once you find the music icon, tap on it to enter the music controls menu, and the smart band should detect that you're playing music on your phone and you can control it right here. You can tap on play button or pause button to play and pause the music. You can tap on the speakers icons to increase or decrease the volume of the sound. You can also tap on next and previous song to go to the next or previous songs. And that's about all. Another thing to mention is if your smart band doesn't detect that you're playing the music when you open the music controls, the music menu, and it says that there's no music playing, and you're using the Android device, it's specific for the Androids, open the settings on your Android, find the option called notifications, and here look for option called notification access. Open it and make sure that the ZEP application has the notifications access allowed. As you can see on mine end, it is allowed, but if it's not, simply tap on the ZEP application and tick this, or rather enable the switch next to notification access. And once this is turned on, it should be working. The smart band should detect that you're playing the music. Okay. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.